Morning to everybody. Today we are going to learn more about gerunds and infinitives. If you remember, in the previous classes we learned about that after some verbs you have to use gerunds, and after other verbs you have to use infinitives. Also, you can use an objects uh, after certain verbs. Okay, today we are going to learn to use both of them in the sentence doesn't change in meaning. For example, but after this, I want you to take a look at this list of verbs. Here you have the summary of everything you have learned before. But today, as I told you, we have some verbs that are followed by either infinitives or gerunds with no change in meaning. So some of these verbs are begin, continue, hate, like, love, start. Okay, and we are going to use love to make our example. Okay, so you can say I love I love to sing. Okay, or you can say I love singing. If you see, so you are saying the same thing. The sentences don't change in meaning. So you can use both of them. Um, okay, I think that's all for today, and I see you in class. Bye bye.